Have you ever wanted to be the pilot of an airplane? Well, you can come close with just a piece of paper and a few minutes. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make the world's best paper airplane. All you need is a piece of paper, a regular piece of computer paper. You need to make sure your folds are very neat and your creases are very sharp because it will fly better and it will look better and it will be easier to make. So we're going to start off with taking it lengthways and folding it in half. You want to make sure the edges are lined up perfectly, and then make a crease, a sharp crease. And to make the crease even better, you want to flip it over to the other side and do the same thing on the same crease. Now when you open it up, there should be a crease right down the middle. Now you want to take this top vertical edge, both sides, and fold it to the middle crease. Line it up perfectly with the middle crease. You want to do the same with this vertical edge. Fold it to the middle crease. Nice sharp creases. Then you want to flip it over and do the same thing to make the crease even sharper. Now fold it back, and you should have something that looks like this. Now, you want to take the very top point and fold it to this vertical line, or this horizontal line right here. This one needs to be an extra good crease, so you need to flip it over and crease it very well. Hold it back, and you should have something that looks like this. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. You want to open it back up to a normal sheet of paper, and you should see many creases. A rectangle right here and two diagonal creases. What you want to do is fold on this horizontal crease down. You don't have to make a crease, the crease is already there. Now you want to fold on this diagonal line. There's going to be a diagonal crease right here. You want to fold upwards. Do that the same on the other side, and the paper should naturally just come down like this. And you should have something that looks like this. Now, you want to fold this whole piece of folds down just like this. There should be a point right in the corners. Now, you're going to want to take each corner and put it right where this vertical line and this horizontal line intersect, right in the middle of the paper. Make a nice sharp crease. And then do the same with the other side. This corner to the middle of the paper, right on the intersecting lines. You want to make these creases extra good also, so fold it over and make the crease even better. Now, you want to open these up. There should be creases right here. You want to open that up, and now on that same crease you just folded, you want to fold it into the middle. On both sides, fold it on that diagonal crease, and the top should naturally just come down like this. Make sure it's nice and flat. Now you want to flip it around, and you want to take these edges and line them perfectly up with these edges by folding it on that middle crease. You should have something that looks like this. Then you take this diagonal line and line it up perfectly with this bottom horizontal line to complete your airplane. It should look just like this. Now I'm going to throw it.